I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use two apps in split screen mode. So the first thing you want to do is make sure one of the apps you want to use in split screen is running in the background. So let's say, for instance, you want to use YouTube, right? So just go ahead and quickly open YouTube. Let me just reduce that volume. And let's say you're watching a YouTube video like this one, okay? So let's say you're watching that, and then you can leave that in the background. Well, as soon as by tapping on the home button or swiping up if you're using gestures. So to get into split screen mode, just go into multitasking mode by tapping on this button right here. Or if you're using gestures, you can slide up and hold and then release from somewhere like 1/3 of the screen. Anyway, since we're using buttons, tap on that and then go to one of the apps you want to use in split screen, like this one for instance. Tap on the app icon and then select open in split screen view. And that's going to open that app in the upper section of the screen, and then you should see the list of apps. Let's say you want to use that together with the calculator, for instance, okay? Maybe you want to do some calculations as you watch a YouTube video. So as you can see, we're now in split screen mode. You can now play your video like that, okay? And you can actually go ahead and adjust the screen real estate that each of the apps occupy, okay? So right here we can continue with our calculations as we use two apps in split screen mode, okay? So I'm watching a YouTube video and I'm also doing calculations, and that's basically how you can use split screen mode with two apps on your Galaxy A34 5G. Now when you want to quit one of the apps, you can either use this slider to slide all the way up or all the way down, depending on what you want really. So let's say you want to close YouTube and remain on the calculator, simply slide up and that's going to exit split screen mode. And that's basically how to use two apps in split screen on your Galaxy A34 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.